Students, let's start our today's class progressions from paper 1. Exercise 6.2, third question. I'm just reading out the question. Find the respective terms for the following APs. Find the respective terms for the following AP. The first one is A1 is given as 2, A3 is given as 26 and you have to find A2. देखो माँ A1, A2, A3 पूरे के तीन है. सो विच फॉर्मूला वी हैव टू यूज? यू हैव टू उतना क्लिक करना माँ. A2 माइनस A1 इज इक्वल्स टू A3 माइनस A2. ओके, सो A2 इज हाउ मच? नथिंग इज देयर. सो A2 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू A3 की वैल्यू 26 माइनस A2. पूरे A2 को एक जगह कलेक्ट कर लो. A2 प्लस A2 इज इक्वल्स टू 26 प्लस 2. 2A2 इज इक्वल्स टू 28. A2 इज इक्वल्स टू 28 बाई 2. 2 1 ज़ा 2 4 ज़ा. देयरफॉर A2 इज इक्वल्स टू 14. सेकेंड बिट A2 is given as 13. Yeah, next question. A2 is 13, A4 is 3. Find the value of A1, A3. A1 है यहाँ पर, A2 है, A3 है, A4 है. तो कौन सा फॉर्मूलाज यूज़ करना है हमारा? देखिए हमको क्या क्या फाइंड करना है, वो हिसाब से हमको फॉर्मूला लेना है. द फर्स्ट थिंग वी यूज़ द फॉर्मूला A3 माइनस A2 इज इक्वल्स टू A4 माइनस A3. ओके, आपको तो पता है हमारा हाउ टू फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस. सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term. The same thing this is going on. So A3 is again A3 minus 13 is equals to A4 is given as 3 minus A3. A3 को एक जगह कलेक्ट कर लो माँ. A3 plus A3 is equals to 13 plus 3. 2A3 is equals to 16. So A3 is equals to 16 by 2. 2 1 ज़ा 2 8 ज़ा. A3 we got it as an 8. अब हमको क्या फाइंड करना है माँ? A1. What we have to find? A1. A1 फाइंड करने के लिए हमको A2, A3 है. So which formula to use here? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Okay. So A2 is how much? 13 minus A1 is equals to A3. Just now we got it as we got it 8 minus 13. So 13 minus A1 is equal to, when you subtract this is minus 5. चलिए A1 को एक जगह कर लीजिए. numbers we collected. So 13 plus 5 is equals to A1. So therefore A1 is equals to 18. Now let's move to the third question, that is next. A1 is equals to 5, A4 is equals to 9 1 by 2 and we have to find A2 and A3. See this 9 1 by 2, how I am writing? 9 2 is 18, 18 plus 1 is 19 by 2. Okay, we have to find A3. A4 दे दिया ना माँ. सो A4 फॉर्मूला विल यूज. A4 इज इक्वल्स टू A प्लस 3D. सो 19 बाई 2 इज इक्वल्स टू A इज हाउ मच? 5 प्लस 3D. सो 3D इज इक्वल्स टू 19 बाई 2 माइनस 5. प्लस इज इक्वल टू किधर आते हैं? माइनस हो गया माँ. सो 3D इज इक्वल्स टू 19 माइनस, टेक एलसीएम, 5 2 ज़ा 10 बाई 2. 3D is equals to 9 by 2. D is equals to 9 by 2 into 3. 3 1 ज़ा 3 3 ज़ा. D value we got it as 3 by 2. Once we got D, we can find A2. A2 formula is A plus 1D. Okay. A given है माँ. A कितना दिया हुआ है? 5. आपको गिवन है A इज नथिंग बट 5. बता दूंगी आपको. सी A इज गिवन एज 5. ओके, एंड जस्ट नाउ वी गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ D. D कितना है हमारा? 3 by 2. ओके, आपको ऐसा I'll show it and do it so that it will be more clear. Okay, D we got it 3 by 2. Now take LCM. LCM is 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 3, that is 13 by 2. A2 is 13 by 2. What we have to find? One more, that is A3. A3 is A plus 2D. A plus 2D. A value is how much? 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are cancel, that is 5 plus 3, 8. We got A3 value as 8. So let's move to the next bit. Yes. A2 is equals to 38. A2 is equals to 38. A2 formula is A plus 1D. That is 38 is equals to A plus 1D. Okay, let's keep it as an equation 1. Next, A6 is equals to A plus 5D. So minus 22 is equals to A plus 5D. This is equation 2. Solving 1 and 2 to get the value of A and D. So A plus 1D is equals to 38 and A plus 5D is equals to minus 22. Change the signs. Plus minus get cancelled. 5 1 6 is what? Minus 4D. Plus 1D minus 5D is minus 4D is equals to, plus से sign change हो गई, plus plus is plus, when you add this becomes 60. So D is equals to 60 by minus 4. 4 ones are 4, 2 left, 4 5s are 20. We got the value of D as minus 15. Once we got the value of D as minus 15, substitute in any equation. Substituting D is equals to minus 15 in equation 1. Okay, equation 1 में substitute करेंगे. What is equation 1? A plus 1D is equals to 38. A plus D value we got it as minus 15. यहाँ पर minus 15 आया. Minus 15 is equals to 38. A is equals to 38. Minus is equal to किधर आते plus हो गया हमारा. So A is equals to 30, 40, 48, 49, 50, 51, 53. We got the value of A as 53 and D as minus 15. अब हम इसके बाद A और D आने के बाद कुछ भी find कर सकते. So first we are going to find A3. A3 formula A plus. अच्छा फाइन, हमको A1 तो हमको आ गया, A1 आ गया. A3 is A plus 2D. That is 53 plus 2 into 53 plus 2 into D value we got it as minus 15. So 53 minus 30. When you subtract this, you will get the answer as 23. A1 आ गया हमको, A3 आ गया, A4. How do you find A4? Next, A4 is equals to A plus 3D. We got the value of A as 53 and D as minus 50. अब हमको क्या फाइंड करना है हमारा? A4 फाइंड करना है. A4 is equals to A plus 3D. That is 53 plus 3 into minus 15. So 53 plus minus minus 15 3s is 45. Subtract कर लूँगा. Answer is 8. Next you have to find A5. A5 भी फाइंड करना है. So A plus 4D. So 53 plus 4 into minus 15. 53 plus minus is minus. 15 4s is 60. Subtract कर लीजिए minus 7. Okay, let's move to the fourth question. which term of an AP is, which term of an AP is, which term of AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 so on is 78. यानी कौन से टर्म का आंसर 78 रहेगा. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड हियर n. टर्म यानी कौन सा टर्म, विच टर्म वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो विच टर्म n वी हैव टू फाइंड हियर. ओके, n see a is given as 3, हमको पता है फर्स्ट टर्म इज ऑलवेज 3. d is given as सेकेंड टर्म माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म. द आंसर इज 8 minus 3 is 5. ओके, और क्या दे दिया हमको 78 बी दी nth टर्म. हम सपोज क्या कर रहे हैं माँ, 78 को nth टर्म सपोज कर रहे हैं. ओके, लेट 78 बी दी nth टर्म. हम इसको क्या ले रहे हैं माँ, an इज इक्वल्स टू 78. ओके, फॉर्मूला डालो, an इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू डी. वॉट वी डिड हियर, विच टर्म हमको n फाइंड करना है. हम इसको क्या समझ लिया माँ, nth टर्म समझ ली. a इज हाउ मच 3 प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू 5 इज इक्वल्स टू 78. is equals to 3 plus 5 into n is 5n minus 5 1 is 5. 78 is equals to 3 minus 5 that is 5n minus 2. नंबर्स को एक जगह कर लेंगे माँ. 78 plus 2 is equals to 5n. 80 is equals to 5n. n is equals to 80 by 5. 5 1s are 5. 3 is left. 5 6 are 30. Therefore, n is equals to 16. 78 is the 16th term of AP. 78 is the 16th term of given AP. Okay, now let's move to the next problem. The next one is even the similar type. Find the number of terms in each of the following. हर एक केस में you have to find the term, that is n you have to find. There are how many questions? 3 to 4 questions are there. In each and every bit you have to find the term. Find the number of term, that is n you have to find. Given a is equals to 7, d is equals to a2 minus a1, that is second term minus first term, we got it 6. And let us take 205 as an nth term. We are taking 205 as an nth term. Formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 205 is equals to 7 plus n minus 1 into 6. 205 is equals to 7 plus multiply 6 into n, 6n minus 6. 205 is equals to 7 minus 6 is 1. 6n plus 1. नंबर्स को एक जगह कर दीजिए वहाँ. 205 प्लस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 6n. सॉरी प्लस इज इक्वल टू के इधर आते क्या हो जाता हमारा, ये माइनस हो जाता. प्लस इधर आते माइनस होता. 205 माइनस 1 इज 204 इज इक्वल्स टू 6n. n इज इक्वल्स टू 204 by 6. That is n is equals to 34. Okay. Next bit you are going to do it as an homework. This is all for today. Have a good day. Bye.